All right, so we're in for a full week of trading. Excited, gang. Hope everyone's looking forward to it. We got earnings. Oh, we got so much earnings. It's crazy. I'm not even gonna tell you what I'm watching because I'm watching a lot of names for earnings. Um, in terms of the Qs and SPY, the Bulls, the Bulls are in, man. The Bulls are in control. I don't know. These Bears are trying to come in, but they're not outdoing the Bulls. So the reason I'm saying that is because we had this crazy drop, right, on Thursday, and the following day, Friday, given we had data, I guess met expectations, was good because this thing just ripped right back up. Like this drop never happened. So this is considered to me bullish because we have it. Look at this trend line that I drew from way back. Hold on. I got a trend line from way back. I'm talking about the 24th of May. It's been riding it ever since, and it respected it on that day, basically. Thursday, just respected the trend line. So I honestly not trying to even anticipate puts until we go under 451. Okay. I think if we once we go on the 451, which was the high zone that I was watching on this day, we go on the 451, that's breaking this trend line, and I think we go probably around here. I think we dance around here. I don't think we go lower than this, but I think we go up tomorrow because everything's saying upside. This saying upside. The MACDs look so strong, and we look, it's pink. RSI is already kissing, so that this is what I'm saying. I think we're gonna pump more tomorrow. So I don't think the Bears is gonna come in to play yet. So I'll go long on SPY once we breach a little bit of this candle with the wick. So I got a so the SPY goes to 460, 20 tomorrow, then I'll go long on SPY. I don't have a problem going long. So now the Qs, similar trend line. Look from where this is actually wow, they got a long trend. This is from April. So from April, we got one touch, two, three, and this one was gonna be the fourth one, but it respected it. It did not go below it. So the Bulls trend line is still intact on Qs and SPY. So can't be a bear yet. Only I will only day trade um puts basically. I wouldn't swing puts because, as you see, they really get crushed. Even here, I mean, this Friday only day you could dump puts, but then after this, it was over for the Bears. The Bulls were bidding. This day, though, it was a bear trap basically on both ETFs. That was a bear trap. And look at this rip. So the Qs look way more stronger than SPY. That's a given. More space. We got four, sorry, 385.90 break on the Qs should bring it at least to, I'll say at least to, I'll say 387.50. So just watch this 385.90 could go to 387 and change. I would not go short on the Qs unless we break this price area over here. So I have a 370, 335 zone for shorts. But like I said, this looks strong. Look, double bottom on the RSI. And look, the Bears is looking like they're getting weak. We got a 10 already. So I believe we're gonna move higher tomorrow. That's just my opinion. Now let's go at some names. All right. It's gonna be interesting week. All right. I'm ready. So MOS. Alright, this one is a ER play. Let me see. Basically on the body, but this has ER, so you gotta be cautious with this one. But this is a tight inside trade from the Bears in the past 2 days. So we're starting a fresh week. Monday, usually Bulls do come out and play. Thursday, Friday's usually a Bears day. Last week, Thursday was the Bear day. So these 2 days are red. That's good. So we can get a third day reversal on MOS, considering that earnings is coming up. Now, this looks good. Very distance apart. Yeah, we got a tint change, but it's not a big drop on the on the bars. So that's good. And we got a higher pivot on the RSI. So this has potential to rip for ER. So watch that alert right here. Okay, what is it? I never play this one. Lithium. So this has something to do with like Tesla, LAC. I think I have that as my watches too. So this is a lithium play. Now we had a big buy zone approaching on this lithium play. It's right here. This is basically where it likes to bounce at. That's too big right there. Okay. So this was when it first tested that level. This was, and then it basically made a higher low over here. So this was the first test, and now I made a higher low. So we looking for basically price above 36. I'm sorry, 56.60. So see, this looks good for a swing in my opinion. And they also have ER, so you gotta be cautious. Thursday, yeah, Thursday. This is leaning to the upside, more bullish. Only part it could really reject is around here, but I don't think it is. And this looks, oh, sorry. This looks, this was very bearish for a while. So yeah, it could start changing trend. We got a tint change on Friday, so it might be early on the move. Just wait until it gets there. Then the next test is gonna be this volume profile break. So you gotta be very careful around 57 and change area on this one. Alcoa looks interesting, and let's see. Wow, Alcoa's been trading this crazy channel. It's a real tight channel as well. It's not like it's moving in a lot of price range. It's a very tight price range Alcoa's been trading at. So let me see. This looks bullish. This already looks bullish from here. Yeah, bullish. All right, everything's bullish. This is how I would play this play. Do it out in front of you guys so you can see how I trade and how I'm thinking. So you see this resistance. This is another resistance area. This whole area right here is basically a resistance area, right? So I'm basically wanting to get comfortable above this zone right here. Now, given I could sneak in as soon as it breaks my trend, but I'm probably gonna have to start trimming or hold on guys, I want to make this, there you go. I'm probably gonna have to start trimming once it gets to that level, right? So this is the level I'm talking about. And the sneaky entry would be right here. I'm gonna delete that and put the like, oh, sorry. So 36.90, sneaky entry, Koa. And then once it breaks this, that's it. Nothing but air. Only has one roof to go through. And it looks very promising to go through it. Maybe gold will get a bit. This is kind of into a gold. Let me verify 1 second. I think it is. No, I'm confusing our call. Call is thinking about Numa. Never mind. All right. So I was talking about LAC, right? With the other lithium play. So there's another lithium play. Wow, almost the same exact setup. So it's at a major support zone right here, coming off this buy zone. Let's look. I'm looking at this double bottom right here. And then right here, almost did, but nope, it used it as a bounce area. So now it's bouncing again. So wait until it gets above the 21, which is 20.05, and you go long. But yeah, we look bullish here. This is a 10 change, still looks a little bearish, but our size in our favor, so I favor that. So our call looks good. So coin has ER this week. Let me see why. Mara looks into right here. Coin has ER, Mara on the daily looks. Doesn't look bad, to be honest. Mara on the daily looks decent. Inside bull day, pivot build, it has to break this resistance. Let me see this. This needs to start curling. It's a little heavy. I think the trend will have to start once we start climbing above here. So 1750 upside. All right, let me see. I want to draw something real quick to see. I'll put this trend line real quick. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it looks good. Looks like it's still gonna go up. See what happens during the week. Earnings is next week or this week? Next week, okay. Maybe pre-R run up, not bad, 2 weeks away. We'll see what happens when the alert hits. WWE, all right. See how WWE looks on the daily. Okay, not bad. We got a nice channel here that has been trading on. You got a, yep, it's bouncing off the 50. That's good. Yeah, this is a big buy zone for WWE right here. Look, right here, guys, right here. Look, this is where WWE broke. And then look, this one bounce, this wick bounce, this one bounce. This is why I say it's an important area because it either rips up or down. Right here, decided to go under. Then it started using it as a reject area with these candles, reject. Then it went lower to make another level. And over here, what happened? Reject. And then here, decided to rip again. And here, it's respecting the levels on the upside. So it looks like, oh, look, they got ER coaching. So it looks strong. Looks like we're gonna go higher for earnings, my opinion. We gotta stay on the positive side too on this market. So I'm gonna be patient on this one and get in. I think I'm gonna get in above my VP line. So 107.45 I'm gonna watch. I might hold it for earnings. I'll let you guys know if I catch it. Looks good. There's another one. My list is kind of long, you know, 'cause all these ERs. Disney, this damn rat. Let's see what the rat's gonna do this week. So they got some news, right? Saying they following this Netflix model, the business model with this password sharing. So I don't know if that's gonna, reflect and try to push them up more or whatnot, but Disney's holding this level. It's a nice double bottom. If I was to pull up the line graph. So Disney holds this level, I think we go higher. So I had this trend line the last week or so from here, and obviously it went down. That was the day we could have shorted it as soon as it went into my trend line. So what am I gonna do? I'm just gonna use the same damn trend line to try to go long. I'm not gonna try to mimic it, try to adjust it or anything. So, and the reason why is because if I do get into Disney around here, these price range are 87.59, it's not gonna be a lot of reward. It's only going 30, 40 cents move, you understand? So best to just wait to get back above this trend line to try to get at least to 90 and change, and you could get in on most likely, look, 88. I'm gonna put 88.65. All right, just respect your trend lines. They're there for a reason. It breaks it, it respects it, and now you want it to go above your trend line. So we go above the trend line, you can go long on Disney. They do have ERs approaching as well. So be cautious and mindful of that if you're thinking about holding it. But everything's telling me this rat is gonna go. So this rat looks good. This looks good. So upside Disney. DraftKings. I was talking about DraftKings Friday. I think I mentioned it about 3 times, maybe less. I'm not sure. But it ripped Friday. Low key, it ripped. It had like a slow, sluggish uptrending day, like, and it's up, it even went up after hours. Look, that daily candle broke the recent highs on DKNG. So DKNG has ER as well. So to be honest, they look like they've been making money. They're definitely higher than they were a few months ago. So they might go up for ER. I don't see why not. They have to be making money if the stock keeps ticking higher, especially for the quarter. So this one, we just gotta watch it if it's gonna continue going higher or not. But not embarrassed, to be honest. And if we do go down, I think it's only gonna go down to probably 30 and $30 and like 30 cents, 20, and then bounce. It's gonna respect the support right here. So this one, I'm not even gonna put an alert on it. I'm just gonna watch it, see for some continuation tomorrow. Matter of fact, because I can't watch everything, I'll put it right here, 32.90. All right, Foot Locker. Foot Locker. Mm, sorry, guys. Drink some water. Okay. Foot Locker looks ready. Oof. All right. Damn, I like this one a lot. This buy zone on Foot Locker. Very valid. All right. So look, everything is bullish. This is super bullish. This is bullish. So yep, green might finally go positive. All right, so we got the gap up right here. So this trend line, we got this gap up right here. It already broke technically. Yeah, alright, so let me explain this. I'm gonna draw this and then explain this. Alright, so the trend line works like this when you're doing in more than like a month span from my knowledge and experience. So I went from the gap up area, right? You got it has to touch multiple times for the trend line to look somewhat valid. So we got this will be the first touch, obviously, because you got to start at some point. So this will be the first. So when you have three or more touches, it's usually, and it's breaking, it's usually gonna keep going. So we got 1, 2, 3, and this one was this one could be considered. I can't really tell because of the volume profile on, but it don't matter if it's 4 or not. Over here was 4 for sure, and 5. This would touch, and look, the green candle broke trend. So technically, we were supposed to get into Falaka Friday, but we're gonna try to catch it tomorrow. All right. So Falaka has to go above this, yeah, above this VP line. So we're gonna watch Falaka 75 cents. So we got ER2 and oh, that's a minute from now. So it depends on you if you want to hold it long enough for ER. But yeah, Falaka looks good. I like Falaka. Okay, on. Oh, hammer, pin bar, almost. Just the wick is distorting it a little bit, but that's a nice hammer candle. Pivots going up. This is the only thing that's shaky, but the bears are so weak you could barely see them. Okay, so I will watch on above 32. I mean 36, 35. Let me see. Let me see. But then from there, I have to break 85 area. And then probably go to even, I'm making more highs. They got ER mid-August. Okay. Technically, I should just wait till it breaks here. This will be the sneaky actually. You know what? You're gonna wait. You're gonna wait until we get to 37.05. I don't want to get smacked down. On upside. Balaka on similar category. Next. What is this? Oh, I never played this one. MDO. No, MOD, sorry. MODG. Top Golf.
Let's go, bro. Super bullish on this.
Kind of squeezing. What's up, Nami?
What's
Yeah,
up, bro? Love that golf ball. Galloway.
yeah, we look good here. Yeah, this looks good. This looks deep. Been downtrending for a while. It's time for reversal, in my opinion. So this tight channel needs to break. So gap fill, we're looking for this gap fill. Okay, so yeah, just right before the 200, we can sneak one in there and then add. So let's do it 80. Looks good though. I like it. It's be a first time playing it with you guys. If you catch it, it should be fun. And they got ER. So in about next week, not this week. So I don't know, maybe a ER run up. Let's see. A lot of ER run ups. Okay. Um, 5. It's the same 5 I'm looking at. Let me verify, guys. Let me verify below. Yes, this is the one I'm looking for. Okay, so it broke this major resistance area, which is right here. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so now we're here. Mm, I go right here. I'm gonna do 65. It's not a big difference. Five below looks good though. Head and shoulder inverse upside on the R side. Max looks great. And the Bulls came in on Friday and came to visit to the party. So I'm looking to at least get up here to 16, 20 from 211 for a $5 move, not bad. Um, yeah, five below upside. All right, let's see what else we got. Okay, KBH. They had great ER, so I think they're just gonna continue pushing. Like this thing's been on a steady uptrend. Let's chart. So yeah, looks good here, upside. This looks not as best, but still looks like the Bears are seeing some type of exhaustion. Um, I think we might as well wait till we get to 55. Yeah, wait till it cracks 55, 50. Don't rush it. Or even 65. How about that? We'll do 65, 55, 65, which is right above the body right here around this area. I think it goes higher. Yeah, they had good ER, so we'll see why they should go down and KVH. What else? Shopify. Shopify has ER as well this week, so keep a good watch. Nice little green bull inside day. I'm gonna watch it above this week, this Thursday week. I think it's a good watch. So, uh, 68, 60 area. Here we get over here. Yeah, and I'll probably revisit 70, hopefully. But yeah, we look good. Our side's in our favor for sure. And ER is one of the back dollar. Third candle. Maybe a third candle could rip. It looks good though. I think they're gonna rip, my opinion. Let's see. No, play this one. I hold. See it? Oh, shut up. That's cutesy. This buy area. Just ripped that day off of this area. So Friday was a good entry on this buy area. Yeah, I'll watch it around 28, 40, 45. Kissing our side, right across, actually not kissing cross. And yeah, the bear's been in here for a while, so maybe the bulls will start coming in already. This looks good. This looks good. 45 low. Okay, that'll be a new one too if I catch it with you guys. Caterpillar has earnings too. So, Spark Cat. Mm-hmm. Some analysts are already bullish, by the way, okay. Right, we got three of them, maybe we get attention before ER, but this one's gonna be, already in a tight area. Been trading in this price channel in a while. Just be patient, okay, wait until we get here. We put 55. DE could be sympathy. See. Snow. Snowflake.
Oh no, he did.
Oh, this is a major buy area. Snow. Wow. Bounces so many times right here, guys. You could catch right above the V. I mean V, I'm sorry. VP above volume profile line. Go long. I mean, it looks good. This looks good. Let's see what this does. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, the Bears already been playing around a lot, so maybe, and we got a 10 chain, so yeah, I like Snow. Snow. Let's go 179.60 for the 180 call, but 182.5s, my opinion. Let's go Snow. What else we got? We got Snow, Jimia, small account. Jumia Technologies, alright, so small account friendly. This is upside play. Everything's good. Our side's better than Mac, of course, like always. So I'm gonna wait till we get comfortable. We hold above the 200. So here could easily get smacked right back down. So I think I'm gonna take this area over here. This 448 zone. More promising to me to go to 450 and then try to break. They do have earnings, keep in mind. So yeah, this is small account friendly play. Tech's been doing okay, and Q's is the lagger, so this has potential, in my opinion. Since the Q's is stronger than SPY. All right, what else? Right? On alert actually went off. I don't know if it was Thursday. Yeah, it was Friday. So on semis look good this week. I don't know if it's because AMD has earnings or Intel just reported good earnings. But this break is already breaking this major resistance area. So a couple cents higher, I think they push it. So we could get one if we get sneak in on 106.95 for 107, that would be ideal. Everything's pushing. Yeah, this looks good. This looks great. We ain't even get a green one yet, and it looks like it's gonna give it to us tomorrow. So yeah, watch ON Semiconductors tomorrow. I think I got like 2 or 3 more gang, and that's about it. Um, Unity has earnings too. Wednesday after hours, right? So this thing's been slowly, steady going higher, and this looks very strong. The MACD is kind of turning 10 change too, so could be a reversal finally. Unity, right here. 48.25. Hopefully they send it to 55 for ER or maybe 60. Let's see. Unity, let me see what else. I don't have any China names. I know I had Neo last week. That shit went crazy. But I don't have China this week. Left China alone. And last but not least, oh, Clement was actually talking about Palantir. Palantir looks good. Looks like it might want to hit $20 this week. So Keep an eye on penalty. Could probably, depending where we open up tomorrow. I honestly want to get in on a bounce. If we could get it on a bounce around 18 and change, that would be good. We check out penalty. Because they boasting about AI with Paddock. There's a lot of rumors going on. And they're the top ones in the AI space, supposedly. Let's see if it's true. All right, so after hours, it says like it's 1840. So I would want to get in on a bounce around here. So let me just draw this up. Team, let's see how I could do this. Oh, it's too high. All right here, I want to be touching this, and I want to touch this area. All right, so we'll put it around here for a bounce. Let's do 70. If they sell it off. If not, it goes to 19. I'll say we just try to get in around 19. We'll figure out an entry, but this is a good bounce zone. I think if they sell it off, they'll probably go at least over here and then try to rip high. I don't think it's gonna go lower though. Don't think it's gonna go lower. Penalty has been on a nice run, in my opinion. Especially with that Friday comment. So yeah, I think it could hit 20 by the end of the week. Let's see. And look at all the price space. On the upside it has. This was high of what? This was 19. So you see, that's why I said it got across 19. And then we'll figure out an entry around 19, but I think it's gonna go to 20 by the end of the week, in my opinion. Everything looks good. All right. You guys want me to go over any names? Let me look at Tesla, but I'll pull up any name you guys want me to go talk over. Tesla looks good. Tesla looks finally good. It didn't look good the last time we spoke on it, but yeah, it looked double bottoming. Finally, we got a 10 change. We haven't got one in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. So 7 days. It took a whole week. So yeah, Tesla, go long on Tesla, 273.85. Green light to 275 post. Yep, could definitely go higher than 275. Any tickets y'all want me to talk about?
RTX. If you haven't talked about that one.
Technologies.
Yeah, it just had a bad earnings, so it's already post earnings, and the E's green on TradingView, but they just had a negative, reaction to it. But so it's already cleared the earnings, so we're just waiting for post earnings to follow through.
Yeah, got
Level
to.
flat.
Looks
Yeah, I
good.
really like that. It's one of my watches for sure.
RTX rated, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Probably go to 21.
I was saying over 88 and Heartbreak probably looks clear, but the MACD's already changing and shit. So on the daily, but on the hour, it looks like it's the opposite. So it's a little confusing, but I like how it's the reaction.
This looks. Yeah, I like it, bro. I like it. Good eye. Let me look at LMT. Oh shit, LMT looks good with it. Yeah. LMT looks, I mean, obviously RTX looks way stronger because of that gap fill. It shows like it's obviously like it's trying to fill it, but this is good too. This is definitely a buy zone. This has to, it could be a morning star. I mean, I'm putting a little on LMT too, because RTX go, maybe LMT could go. So 85. Yeah, 85. Let's see. It's turning. It's not turning down. This guy's been getting smoked a bit.
You do me a favor? Could you cook some rice?
Repeat that, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I was muted. That's my bad.
Nah, it's all right. Alright, gang, that's all I got,
Hey, Cam, just want to let you know, I just got alert that Bitcoin just broke 29.5, so
down
looking
to
at a little volume right now. So be interesting. Might maybe watch Bitcoin in the miners tomorrow.
I'm watching Mara so far, so if that one's moving, whichever way, I'll go off of that one. We got SoFi ER in the morning. So
Nice.
possible IV watch. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see how it moves.
Let's go, bro. Let's do it.
All right, gang. Hope you get some rest and see you in the morning, gang.
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome.
Thanks
You're
for
welcome.
everything, man. Appreciate it.
All right, gang.